Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to do a swipe with a damp paper towel, and I'm going to do a wave swipe, which I actually have not done before. So I have a variety of colors mixed up. I'm using white for the color that I'm going to be swiping with, and then I have 3 different shades of blue and then some white paint for my base coat. I have all of my colors mixed with American floetrol and then just a touch of Australian floetrol. The Australian floetrol has a slightly different chemical makeup, and it creates cells a little bit differently than the American floetrol does. And I found that swiping with white paint that is mixed, or any kind of paint, but paint that's mixed with Australian floetrol can create a lot of cells without needing to use silicone. And I just prefer not to use silicone. There's cleanup that you have to do to your canvas after you use it, and I just prefer not to do that so that it's a little bit easier to finish your piece without needing to clean off the silicone residue. So I'm just going to start by putting some of my white paint down for my base coat, and then I will get my colors down for my swipe. And I just want a nice thin coat of paint. So I do have a few bubbles. You could always take a torch and torch the bubbles out. I'm not too worried about it. And then I need to decide what direction I want to do my swipe, and I may do it around this way. So I'm just going to take a bunch of my dark blue and just start with my shape here. I want a lot of that white blue, or the lighter blue, on the top, and then just a little bit of white in there. A lot of my dark blue sunk down here, so we'll try and add a little bit more. I have quite a bit of paint on my canvas. I might tilt some of it off. Spread it out a little bit. Just get a mix of color in there. So for my swipe, I'm going to put some of my white paint that I have mixed up in my small cup just on my surface, and then dip my paper towel into it and then swipe across. Just have, as you can see, my paper towel, and I'm actually going to tear it in half and just have more control over a smaller piece of my paper towel. And I like the paper towel for a swiping tool. It works out well, but you can use all sorts of different things. You can use paper, you can use a palette knife. But now we'll see how well this will work. And I think I'll be doing one more swipe. Tilt it a little bit. Get some of that excess paint off. So my white kind of took over a little bit, so I might try and get some of this color up with swiping the opposite direction. And I'm just going to use a straw and just start blowing some of it out instead of swiping. I'm going to add a little bit more white right in here. And I'm just going to let this dry. I added quite a bit of paint, so hopefully it doesn't move too much. I may try and tilt just a little bit off the bottom, but I don't want to move my design too much. There we go. All right, so we'll let this dry and I'll get some pictures of it.